Hello everyone. We have added a new currency pair for bot monitoring. The currency pair is at the top of the market, and you can get maximum profit from it. Today we will show it to you. We will also add one new currency pair to our monitoring every week. Let's go to the bot and get the first signal. The first signal the bot recommends is to open for an increase. Let's do that. We would like to remind you that anyone can get a bot. The bot is absolutely free. The link is in the description and pinned comment. The first trade successfully turns into a profit. Let's go to the main menu and get the second signal. This time, the bot gave a downgrade signal. Let's open a second deal and see what the result will be.
On the track.
We catch the minus. No problem, let's increase the transaction amount and get a third signal. The third signal to increase. Let's trust the bot and open our third trade. Let's see if the bot will be able to recapture our previous minus. Great job! The bot not only beat us back from the previous minus but also brought us to a good plus. Let's return to the previous trade amount and continue receiving signals. The bot recommends opening a fourth trade for an increase. Open and wait. Look how the bot perfectly closed our deal with a profit. This is something incredible. Let's get the last signal to show you in more detail how the bot works on a new currency pair. Last down signal. Let's open our trade and see what balance we will have by the end of the video. The bot shows simply unrealistic results on a new currency pair. Of the 5 signals, 4 were positive. Our balance exceeded $10,000. Are you still waiting? Get the bot via the link in the description and start earning money with us.